Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, back again with another DJI Flip video. Now within this video, I'm going to demonstrate something that sets the DJI Flip apart from the smaller, well, I don't necessarily need to say smaller, but the other DJI Neo. Now DJI Flip can do something what's called log, L-O-G. So for more advanced video editors, capturing the video from the DJI Flip and log enables better color correction within post-production, whether that's Final Cut Pro 11, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, whatever tool or tools that you may use in post-production. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up the DJI Flip, and we're going to set it for log video recording mode, and then we're going to step into the studio and I'm going to show you the type of color that you may be able to achieve using DJI Flip and log video recording options. So let's just do this step by step. If you're in a hurry, go ahead and do something else. Don't inconvenience yourself, but if you want to see what it looks like, continue to watch this video. So we're going to power on the controller. We are going to set this up just so it's, typically I would fly and subscribe and check out my DJI Flip video playlist, but within this, just to 100% represent the color and everything, I'm just going to sit this on the rail back there and hit record, so there's no motion. That we're just looking at the color, because that's what this video is about. Log, L-O-G, color. So move this out of the way here. It always excites me when I unfold this thing. Because it's just so small and so lightweight. I pushed the other button when I was unfolding it, because typically this will power on automatically when you unfold it. See, I manually pressed it. So what we're going to do now is take this and put it over here. And in case you're wondering, the sun is over there, just for reference. People of all experience levels may be watching this video. You're probably a much better video editor than I am. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to do the screen share. I'm going to do a screen recording of the app so you can see within DJI Fly app what I'm doing to switch it to log. By default, I typically just use 4K 60, 4K 60 auto, but we're going to go to log. So now I'm in video mode. So I'm going to go towards the bottom right down there, it says EV, and to the left of that it says 4K 60. I'm going to click on that. Okay, yes, I'm doing 4K 60. But to get to switch it to log, L-O-G video mode, I've got to hit those three dots, go to camera, and you can see here it says color normal, which is what I have set now. But instead of color normal, I'm going to select D-log-m is in mic. And so I've got that. I'm going to do the format of H.265, coding format H.265. Actually, it doesn't look like it's letting me choose any other. H.265 is perfectly acceptable for my use case. Format MP4, anti-flicker auto, noise reduction natural, peaking off, white balance auto. I mean, you can drill down, and I was going to go ahead and format my SD card. I got plenty of space, but I mean, you can drill down and further customize this, but the main takeaway for this video is that I switched from color normal to color dlog-m. So now you can see here through the little DJI Fly app what the camera sees. So let's go ahead and hit record. I clicked record. Again, this is 4K 60. So we're going to let it record there for a minute. You can see the little branches waving around. You can see the forest down below here at the Appalachian Ocean. And we're just going to record this for, I don't know, we want to get a moderate amount of time. I mean, we're not going to sit here and you're not going to sit here and listen to me ramble my trap. We're not going to do that. We're just going to let it record a little bit. Again, the sun is still up there. The sun doesn't move too rapidly, so it's over there, and the drone's there, and the drone camera's facing that way. So let's let this record for just a few more moments here. It's 50 seconds, 51, 52, 53, 55. We got a little bit of wind. You can see that branch blowing around. So yeah, we got some motion. And okay, so we've recorded this. You've seen what the footage looks like while it was being recorded in dlog-m. And now we're going to stop the recording at approximately 1 minute and 20 seconds. So recording has been stopped, and we are going to, let's see. Here we go. I'm going to take this over here, and I'm going to grab my DJI Flip. So I finished filming with the Flip. This thing blows my mind to be so small and so lightweight, but achieve the video quality that you're about to witness, especially when I color grade it.
2, unable to take off. Make sure aircraft is level.
I wish that button was in a better location, but that's a topic for another video. Let's go ahead and fold this sucker up.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
That's awesome how it just powers off when you fold it. So convenient. So it's powered off. So now let's go into the Our Skies Adventure Channel studio. Let's import the dlog-m video clip that I just recorded in 4K 60, 4K 60, and let's play around with the color and see what we can produce using log video recorded with the DJI Flip. So this clip right here is the D-Log-M, the log video that was recorded with DJI Flip. As you can see, the color here, even though it's winter, the color is very somewhat non-existent, and that's what you want for color correction. You can see this clip is 3840 by 2160, and it was filmed at 60 frames per second, 59.94p. So there's a few things we can do color grading, and this is Final Cut Pro 11. You may use DaVinci Resolve, you may use Adobe Premiere, you may use other color correction software, but when we go to, in Final Cut Pro 11, if we go to Enhance Color and Light, utilizing AI, artificial intelligence, we can select this clip and do Enhance Light and Color, and boom, there it goes. So that's, look at how good that looks. So just to undo that and focus upon this color separation here, look at that when I do undo. And now you can see this is the color of log without color enhancement. But just utilizing Enhance Light and Color within Final Cut Pro 11, I mean, that may meet or exceed the visual that you're trying to achieve. So then we can undo this. Let's say you wanted to modify the log video manually. Well, what you can do, you can go into these sliders here. So you can adjust saturation. See, that looks crazy. especially if you look at the tree there, the green. Or you can go the other way and make it really grayscale. But you can see how recording in log enables someone to achieve better video quality than just a standard auto. Nothing wrong with auto format, but if you really want to take your video project to the next level, you should consider recording video with the DJI Flip in this log format. So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to do the AI in Final Cut Pro 11 enhance light and color. So this assumes that I'm not a well-seasoned video editor. I just want a quick way to enhance my video. I took the time before I flew the DJI Flip to set it to log because I knew that by recording the video with the drone in log, that when I color graded the video within post-production, that I would have an even better looking video. So, not required. You can use the standard auto video with your DJI Flip, but this that I'm about to roll now, I will roll the unedited log video so you can see it immediately followed up by the video that I've done within this section of the tutorial, enhancing the light and color using artificial intelligence within Final Cut Pro 11. So I think this is really going to make you think before you fly and film, because you may decide that flying and filming in D-log-m is well worth it, especially if you're like me and you like to edit videos to really optimize the color within post-production. And this was very high level. I mean, you can drag all of these individual sliders, and you don't have to use Final Cut Pro 11. You could use other tools. But the fact that it's recorded in log makes that video clip more friendly when it comes to color grading. So let's roll these clips.
Dearest sky rides the sky, editing colors as they fly. Perfect hues in each frame, nature's beauty untamed. Cut correction, make it right. In the sky, drone in flight. Video magic, pure light. Every shade, vivid and bright.
Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.